Hey everybody, Shahida Akbar here, and today is day 17 in the Rise Up 2015 Tracy Walker video blogging challenge. And today's question is, what is your favorite season and why? Well, here in Cincinnati, where I live, it gets really cold in the wintertime like it is right now. The temperatures get down to sub-zero. We have lots of snow. We get freezing rain. It's just really not a good thing in the wintertime. And in the summer months, we go in the opposite direction. It gets to be 98 degrees with 80% humidity, and you go outside and you feel like you just walked into a sauna. So that's not real comfortable either. So my favorite season is springtime. Those months between April, May, and June, especially June, because that's the month of my birthday. So the weather is mild, the sky is blue, there's always lots of things going on. Outdoor activities tend to pick up. You can use your deck, you can, go outside without dealing with the sweltering heat. So I really enjoy the springtime when everything's coming back to life. The flowers are blooming, the buds are coming out on your trees, the leaves are showing their faces again, the trees aren't bare. It's just a really nice time, and in Cincinnati, springtime is really beautiful. So my favorite time of the year is springtime. So that's my answer for day 17, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video.